Okay, hello everybody. Today is Friday, May 15th. It's about 1:25 p.m. This is a scalping strategy that I'm experimenting with. So it's 3 contracts with targets of 15, 20, and 25 ticks in the NASDAQ. So not exactly scalping, but I would say it's scalping. Anyway, at 15 ticks I'm trailing by 90%, which is essentially break even plus a tick or two. And the goal is $500. Okay, so first trade. Wow, that was pretty cool. So that's $300. You could call it a day right here. One winner like that. But let's just let it trade and see how it does. Let's see if we can hit our goal. I set a goal of $500. Let's see if we can hit our goal. Okay, filled again. See if this pushes down or we get stopped out and give it all back. Now this is price right here. This is where price is at the end of the bar here. There it is. There it is. We hit our goal. So this was kind of an experimental strategy that I had an idea for, and it just goes to show what you can do with the AutoTrader. It just takes some good volatility in both directions, but the possibilities are endless with what you can do with the AutoTrader. These targets on the NASDAQ. 15 ticks is 3 3/4 points in the NASDAQ, and 20 ticks is 5 points, and 25 ticks is 6.25 points. So that's just hard. You know, those really short movements in the NASDAQ. This is a 100-tick Heikin-Ashi chart. So this kind of a strategy could be turned on at any point in the day. You could trade it long only or short only. So if you're in a trending market like this and you just traded long only. So there's a lot of possibilities with this kind of a strategy. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Okay, so I reset the strategy. You can see it's just a minute later than the end of the last video. I reset the strategy just to see if this would work again, and let's just have a look. It's pretty interesting. By the way, this is 100% fully automated. I'm not really managing the trade in any way, except later in this video I did move the stop. I just hit this 50% button. But the entry and the exits, for the most part, are 100% automated. And again, it goes to show the possibilities of what you can do with a scalping strategy. I just turned it on at random. I didn't really wait. I should have waited for a better spot. But in spite of that, this trade worked out. The better way, what I should have done in turning it on is waited for blue bars or red bars. You know, I turned it on, you know, after a few bars down here, but in hindsight, if I was to do this again, I would, you know, like right now, if I was flat, I would turn it on and let it get taken long, or vice versa. Okay, let's take a look, see what happens. Okay, so I turned this on and let it run again. I just reset the strategy, and I think we hit our goal here. We just had slippage. This push down happened so quickly and then snapped back. Otherwise, the auto trader would have traded here. So basically, 3 contracts, we got $20 worth of slippage per contract. I think that's what happened here, is this came down far enough and hit its goal, and by the time it exited, we had some slippage. So that's twice that I traded this this scalping strategy, and really I just turned it on at random. If you examine this, you could trade it with a limit order. This closed the bar with 73.50 and it pulled back on the next bar to 71.50. That's 8 ticks, so you could trade it with a pullback of 4 or 5 ticks. But that's pretty impressive. I'm going to be testing this more and see how it plays out. Okay, let's try running the scalper again. Okay, there's a while before there's a trade, so I'm going to edit the video here. There will be a portion cut out, and I'll come back to the trade. Okay, filled. Market structure looks good. Wow, we were 1 tick from being filled. That cost $100 by this not getting filled. So after watching this a little bit, I think my money management could be a little bit better. And what I would do is okay, not sure why that immediately closed right there. That was really quick for some reason. Might be my stop. Yeah, it was. But I think we could improve the money management here. Having a second tier when you hit, say, 20 ticks or 23 ticks, something like that. I'll have to think about that. Okay, I think that's good enough for hitting our goal. That's 3 tries. Yeah, I think that's it. I think it hit its goal. So, pretty impressive on the scalper.